Hello and welcome back. Today we're making Texas queso, and what makes this queso so special is that we're using some leftover brisket because it adds a perfect smoky flavor in every bite. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I just need to make sure I have nothing in the oven. First, you want to shred about half a pound of American cheese. And since you're going to be shredding here for a while, I want you guys to know that you can prep this about 3 days before you need this recipe, and you should be good to go. I love those kind of recipes. And if you'd like to change it up and you like a little bit more flavor, you can add a little bit of Monterey Jack cheese with jalapeños. And let me tell you, that flavor is absolutely divine. And if it looks like I'm using a lot of cheese, I'm gonna make some for you today, and then I'm gonna prep one to have in the refrigerator for my boys to make whenever they feel like snacking. Once you shred your cheese, you wanna start chopping up your pico de gallo ingredients. And for that, you'll need a small onion, one tomato, and I do have a corny but cute joke for you today, and here it goes. Why did the queso blush? Okay, think about it. Here it goes. It saw someone double dipping. So make sure to leave any extra cheesy jokes in the comments. Oh, that one's really juicy. Your desired amount of jalapeño. I need to get another one of my grapefruit forks because I can just scrape everything out a lot better. One green onion. A small bunch of cilantro, and about 1 tablespoon of pickled jalapeño juice. I'm telling you, it makes a huge difference. And if you don't have access to your pickled jalapeño juice, you can add a little bit of white vinegar. And now we can start chopping our brisket. You'll need to chop about 1 cup. I have a mixture of juicy brisket and just regular brisket, so it's gonna be up to you what you wanna choose. As for a baking dish, please don't stress it. You can use your favorite baking dish. You can even get the disposable ones at your local grocery store. But I recently purchased this beautiful cast iron that is a Texas map. I'm sure to use it often, and maybe one day I can hand it down to one of my grandchildren and they'll know how much I love them when they cook with this. Oh, the little niños. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, you want to place 1 cup of half and half at the bottom of your baking dish. Then you're gonna add the cheese. Yeah, I didn't realize it was gonna fit this much cheese. This is a really nice cast iron. I'm loving this. Okay, I think we have room for the brisket. Yeah, we do. Did really good. And the pico de gallo. Place it in your oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure to stir it every 5 to 8 minutes to ensure the cheese melts and everything is well incorporated. When you see the queso is bubbly and melted, remove it from the oven and stir it one more time. Then you can top it with a little more pico de gallo and brisket for a beautiful presentation. And the perfect pairing for Texas queso is jalapeño kettle chips. It's absolutely delicious and memorable. Now I'm gonna need somebody very special to say This is the best piece, I have to get it for you. So please give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you need a little extra help, please let me know. I'm here to serve, not to be served. That is absolutely delicious. You're gonna love this recipe. And I think that's the fun part. Once you start dipping, you just can't stop. Especially with these chips. This is a perfect combo. And I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And if you're watching your calories, you can just get a piece of brisket and dip it. Just let it happen. Look away. As always, I'm wishing you the best. I absolutely adore you. And on that one, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Adios.